Hey guys, welcome back to another live stream. It has been a while since we've done one of these, but now we actually have a lot going on. We have camera is a little bit better in. We got my microphone on that super cold mount, and we also have my peripherals. We have the network rack. Everything is coming along really well. Office is nice and clean, and we are now actually able to really do some decent live streams, hopefully without any issues going further. And did some changes to the live stream a little bit, so please let me know what you guys think about the sound quality. We do have some NCS 24/7 live in the background for music here, so while we are live streaming, please let me know if the music gets too loud. I'm about to go onto YouTube myself and just take a moment to listen with the microphone muted. So as soon as we get that done, I will see how this sounds. Let me mute my microphone real quick here. Alright, I do have my microphone on, just seeing how my voice sounds while we're looking at this here. See if we can make it a little bit louder here. I think negative 35 might be good. Alright, there we go. We should be set here for let me I have a charge. So this live stream will be roughly an hour before I gotta get off for an hour, and then we'll probably live stream after this again. But let me. So obviously it's been a while since we've done a live stream, so we're gonna go over some changes that have been made. So let me just bring this over here. The crew-in page has been changed a little bit. We have that one GIF is gone. We have a little more information on each of the features of the game, and we also got rid of a bunch of screenshots. All of these gameplay screenshots are going to be removed today. I haven't gotten to it yet. I'm actually going to be removing most of these except these two, the map, and then the May, and then the one trailer that we made months ago. We're getting some new screenshots into the game, so let me see if I can find where I put the screenshots. Should still be right here. Let me open file location. So screenshots like this. This is a 8K screenshot of the barbarian character in the rain. So that'll be one of the new screenshots, and then we also have a bunch of other ones from the past here. I'm kind of trying to create some promotional screenshots over here and raise the budget of the pool size here, and let's just go in and hit here. So this is kind of like what I'm working with here. Get rid of stat FPS in here. All right, so kind of have this castle kit here, and I was planning on. I gotta get rid of that waypoint. That here. Try and find a good place to do a promotional screenshot here. Actually, maybe it'd be better if we start over here. Now we actually have the whole entire castle there. And with it snowing, Oh man, that looks even better. Alright, let's get rid of that mount check error. Okay. AK high-res screenshot. This looks pretty nice. Come on. Check it. I kind of like how we always have a rifle. What else we have? We also have a torch. A weird looking capital. Kind of nice how we have the whole season system now. But, well, at least now we have a couple nice looking screenshots that we can, because one of the next things we're kind of doing like a rebrand optimization here. Wow, there's so much cold air coming out of my vent right now. But we're gonna do a revamp of the website, keeping the same, whatever you want to call it, the same theme, but we're just gonna work on it, make it better here. So plugins page. So now we have 2 screenshots that we can use. And let's go over some other changes that we did here. We have we fixed the source control server. So I'm gonna bring this down here. We now have Cruin, the Wrath of Aethys, as a workspace. And we also have our Unreal Engine 4 here as well. So makes things easier here. So this is not source control, but other Cruin is here. So that's one thing that we gotta kind of work on, is start getting everything migrated over. I don't think we still do not have a date for the new documentation to be released to put our combat system with ALS version 5. As soon as that's done, this update will essentially be finished. There's a couple more things that I'm working on, i.e., I don't even have the waypoint. It's using a custom render pass, but yet the player can still see it. Wait a second. Yeah, because you can still see it there. Like, maybe it's the character. Well, let's head over to character logic. Let's. I think it's this one. Oh, fuck. Point. Come on! Let's do this. What am I holding? I'm on using main monitor. I guess that's okay. Maybe this is better. This might make the live stream look nicer. Yeah. Alright, so it's currently loading up our player blueprint thing. I never got a thing from Twitch. I don't know if we're even live on Twitch right now. Yes, we are live. I'm glad that the microphone sounds a lot better now. So the microphone's actually like right here. It's right off camera, and the mount is behind the monitor, so it makes things easier as well. Let me find, where is the camera? Is this camera manager? This thing. So confused right now. Now, that's a very good question how the heck this is going to work. Camera 1. I don't know. Let's type in camera. Okay. We'll figure it out. We'll find it here. So, essentially, and as we are continuing the so on the continuous, I guess, conversation on upgrades and stuff here. I guess we should go over the update plan. So, as you can see, we already have the player movement system, day, night, weather, seasons, roads, all that. The next step, we already have the combat system in. We just have to wait for the developer of that system to create a documentation on how to mash these two together, since their documentations for ALS version 4 and version 5, things have changed drastically. So we are waiting for that finished documentation to come up. He said there's some bugs that he's ironing out before he releases the video and documentation for it. As soon as that is done, we will have the main character system done with crafting and you know, crafting, trading with NPCs, stuff like that, to make things a lot nicer here. And we also added a bunch of food a live stream ago or two, so we are currently working on that as well. Okay, next up, what else we're adding? It's a very good question. I'm gonna open up Epic Games Launcher while I'm doing it anyway. So we obviously have that world map system that we're having some issues with the waypoint specifically. Everything else works. We just gotta add a way to exit the map. That's the biggest thing right now, is making a way to exit the map. This. Let's see. Next up, we do have some more Brushify packs for our landscape system that we're going to be getting, and this is going to be over the course of 2 updates, I'm thinking here. So we have a absolute ton of new like these packs of I guess enemies and stuff. So, you know, we have like these undead knights, like Banshee, wolves, wizards, wraiths, spiders, draugrs, essentially a bunch of different characters for the following couple updates. When we add enemies to the game. This next update is going to be the dungeon update. We did find this dungeon architect procedural generator plugin that we're going to be getting after this update's over. And then give it 3, 4, maybe even 6 more months until the next update's done. So 2 main updates this year, June, and then probably 1 towards December, unless we get a lot more done. But that is just that state at the moment here. So take a look. Another thing that I wanted to announce is that my oldest Minecraft mod, the more realistic mod, what the hell? The freaking spider just came crawling down the ceiling. What the heck? Alright, I was a little... Yeah, I just blew it off my desk, so hopefully that's the end of that. But, let's find my project. Let's switch to window. Yeah. So, here is the page for my Realism mod Reborn, because we started working on it in 1.10, 1.12, 1.15, then we took a few-year break, added some alpha versions for 1.19. Here we are in 1.21, with my latest update being 2 days ago, beta 0.21. As a complete rework of the game itself, adding a bunch of stuff like that. So, if you go to curse.com, or curseforge.com, Minecraft, MC mods, and a realism mod Reborn, we have all of that going on here. I am currently working on a new icon for this here, because this is just an old player from 1.10. So currently working on that as well, and then we'll be redoing the Omega Ores and starting the Skyrim Craft and Ultimate Superheroes again. Ultimate Superheroes has not been updated since 2020, surprisingly. As you can see, it has 9,000 downloads, but like I've done none of this yet. I don't even have a file on here, so it can't even be downloaded anymore. But it will be done. Working on it soon, and then we also had Skyrim Craft as well. This is a new one that we're just gonna start. Wow, I have not looked at this in a while. I'm gonna start redoing these 2 mods this week, but actually, we could probably just do that now. Let's have that be our live stream. I kind of just wanted to have Toon open to show you guys some of the updates that have been going on. I'm gonna create a couple screenshots. Let's let's create those mods. So in my dev drive, I have a Minecraft mods, and we also have all of the stuff here. So we tried doing 1.19 on Mac when I was working on it, did not work. So Forge versions, I have 1.20.1 here, so we're just going to quickly extract it. Then we're going to copy it into my Minecraft mods. So we're going to make a copy. We're gonna call this one. Let's make this the Omega Ores mod -1 Omega Ores mod 1.20.1, and then we're gonna make this one Ultimate Superheroes 1.20.1. So So now we're gonna open up IntelliJ. We're gonna do a new project. Not new project. Open. We're gonna open up Omega. We're gonna you know what? Let's open up. Why do I see 2 Omega orders? I guess I already did that one. So let's do Ultimate Superheroes. One point 2021. I'll just get this started here. We're gonna get both of these, you know, we're gonna get the Damien started. We're gonna get that started here. So, another thing we're going to be doing is some project, there's some project work here. Okay. I don't know. So we're going to do com.thunderworld interactive dot ultimate superheroes. Okay, so let's get started with put a realism mod 1.20 source main Java com fun one right there, realism mod. Open, let's just open up the file. Like so. Let's empty out the then we can realism mod. We're gonna make this Ultimate Superheroes mod, and we can get rid of the com dot all that fun stuff here. We're going to remove these 3 imports, and then move this Ultimate Superheroes, delete example, and all that fun stuff. Why did that mess up? There we go. And we're gonna call this US Ultimate Superheroes. There we go. So now we actually have a decent file here. Now we're going to bring this other side, and we're just gonna start creating all the packages. We're gonna do. Actually, let's hold off on that real quick. Let me head here. Let's first main we're gonna create a new package doing dot item. We're gonna create a crowd class to mod item. create another class called mod tool here's just in case you decide to create the weapons for each superhero. In our class, let's create a creative tab, mod creative mode tabs. We're gonna create another called mod armor materials. So yeah, so far so good here. So let's do the creative mode tab first. Well, actually, yep, we gotta do this mods.toml first. So let's open up my mods.toml. So main resources. There we go. Actually, let's open that also. That should be good enough. So let's just start with actually probably should do the mod items first. Let's just create that real quick here. So alright, so we got this here. Let's do public static final deferred register items equals deferred register dot create storage registries dot items colon ultimate superheroes dot mod d. Okay, now let's create a second one. Public static void register. We're gonna do event bus and items dot register event bus. And then in our Ultimate Superheroes mod, we have to create a mod item dot register. Gotta put in shoot. What was alright, time to grab my other one. I don't wonder what real mod event bus. Okay, so this is out there now, so that's pretty good. Let's do the creative mode tab next, now since we actually have that running here. So public static final. Let's actually make this a little bit bigger here. Public static final deferred register creative mode tab creative mode tabs equals deferred register dot create registries dot creative mode tab and then ultimate superheroes dot mod id. So and we're going to create another public static void or register event bus, and then just do creative mode tabs dot register event bus. Okay, next up, we gotta create the actual tab itself. So public, static, final, registry object, and we're gonna call this a creative mode. Is it? Which one did I do? Creative mode tab. We're gonna call this Ultimate Superheroes _ tab equals to creative mode tabs dot register, and we're gonna create a string called US tab. Creative mode tab dot builder dot icon. Then we're gonna do boom, or one of these bad boys. Do new item stack mod item. No. Get that one just a moment here. I think I might have did that wrong. Maybe. Let's create an item real quick. Just so we have that. Let's create. Let's start off with like a flash suit. I always do this. So public static final registry object. This is the item. Let's I'm gonna say flash _ test plate. Okay, we're gonna do items dot register. Now we're gonna create the name. So flash _ chest plate. Not before this. Now we're gonna do the nice super new armor item mod armor materials dot flash armor item dot height dot chest plate, and new properties. Okay, now in mod armor materials, you actually got to create the armor material. So we're going to do extends armor material. Implement the methods. All of these ones right here. Now, play this now. We'll also implement armor material. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna do flash. Flash. Say 24 util, and this is gonna be Minecraft.util. New enum map armor item dot height dot class e _ 266655 underscore. Boom. All right, so what have we messed up so far?
And this way you will be able to, change something. And the first thing we want to do is we want to change Gmail. We want to replace that with Alexandrite. That's the first change we want to do. And we're going to
Let me just grab all of my. There we go. You know what? Let's work on. Let's look at this one. So get knockback resistance is going to be this dot get this dot knockback. God dang it. Public string. Let me just do this. Let me just do the serialized names first. So get serialized name. Return ultimate superheroes dot mod I not that. Really? I don't got my ID. Yes, we do. Oh, that worked. Did I not do everything correct? Oh, right. I forgot to add all this stuff. Let me just copy that in. And let's just copy my existing mod armor materials. And I didn't do the rest of the play. There you go. And then let me just get the rest of it. Right from here. Okay, this is a mod item. Okay, add count. Yeah, 1, 2. Those. Oh, this thing loves me right now. Is it using the right util? Guess we'll find out. Alright. Let's just get. Let's do the knockback resistance. And then toughness is this dot get toughness. No. This dot toughness. And then get name is ID plus the exact same thing as the serialized name. And then we're gonna do this dot repair ingredient get equip sound. I'm gonna do be this dot sound. Enchantment value is gonna be this dot enchantment value. Get defense for type is going to be this dot protection function for type dot get, and then p underscore 266752. And we gotta change this. Same thing. Have it what I already have. I'm just copying straight from the other mod. But I want to do return health underscore function for type dot get the underscore all that, then times that by this dot durability multiplier. Now I haven't done this yet. This health function for type light yet. Still working. That goes right here, actually. And we're just going to copy and paste it in. Right? No, that's not it. Right here. There we go. Alright, I should get rid of most of the errors. The only errors now are the ones up here. Which I'm going to completely just copy it straight from my mod. See if it does anything. So we're gonna do slash, slash, it's almost good. Let's create, you know what? Let's create an item. Let me just add an item here. Call this a flash frag. So now close the. Hey. Why is that an unexpected token on creative mode tab? Yeah. Dot title is component translatable. We're gonna have this be called create add dot ultimate superheroes dot display items. And inside of this, we're gonna have this be called display parameters. On output. And then we're going to do. And we're gonna do output accept mod item dot chest plate. Yeah. At the very end, boom, boom, dot, kill. why you like this. So where does that even come from? Try again. Create div tab dot maybe because I actually gotta create all the resources now. That might be it. Let's do source main resources right here. Okay. And we're gonna create assets. Side assets. Create another directory called S. We're gonna do plain and then in file and do en underscore us. I remember that's how you do it. Yep. Oh. Not JSON now. Open up my Visual Studio 1. And now we're going to boop boop and just do there we go. Creative tabs, done. Now we gotta do this again. Figure out why this is not working. I'm running out of ideas about why it's not working. If it's on the material, then we have Flash. Like everything else is working. What if we create it? Armor underscore Flash. Flash. 24. So. Yeah, so the dot make does not exist. Alright, let's just calm that down. Calm that down. Okay. I gotta go for a little bit. So thank you all for watching. We're gonna be doing crew and stuff the next half of the live stream. But we'll see you guys in a couple hours.